Voramar Seafront Promenade, the proto-historic pottery workshops. Pottery kilns, which were active from the middle of the 4th century to the middle of the 3rd century before Christ, are preserved in the coastal area near Ieta dels Baniets. These facilities have been known since ancient times, and the first to excavate them was Francisco Figueras Pacheco in the 1930s. 4 of these kilns are grouped together, and according to Eduardo López Segui, the director of the latest excavation campaigns carried out in the 1990s, there is clear evidence of the existence of 2 more kilns in this same area, which remain unexcavated. In this same site, you can still see the remains of a pottery waster pit, the place where all the firing remains and defective vessels were discarded. The kilns vary greatly in size and belong to the double-chamber typology. In the lower one, or combustion chamber, heat was generated and concentrated by the fire lit in the entrance channel. It was separated from the upper one, or firing chamber, or laboratory, by a perforated floor that allowed the heat to pass through and on which the clay vessels were placed for firing. These kilns were almost exclusively dedicated to the manufacture of amphorae, to package the products processed in the Illeta and distribute them throughout the Western Mediterranean. As an identifying feature, these amphorae bear a mark made by applying fresh clay to the shoulder and spreading it with a comb-like tool before firing. This distinctive characteristic allows us to trace trade in the Mediterranean during proto-history. El Campello Tourism, collaborating with the Archaeological Museum of Alicante and the Institute of Coastal Ecology.